Hey dolls, so today we're going to be doing another DIY video. I don't know if a lot of you remember the one that I did. You should remember it, and if you haven't, go and check it out. It is the mirror coffee table video DIY, so go check it out down below. I'm going to put the link for it. But this one, if you loved that one, this one is just bomb, amazing. And I think personally, because it's very girly, that it tops the one I just did. So yeah, if you've seen the title, you know what it is. I'm going to be making a crystal, rhinestone, whatever you blinged out, whatever you want to call it, coffee table, and it's mirrored as well. So I can't wait to do it. I know a lot of you love the other one, but this one, it takes it to another world. And like, I've never seen this type of coffee table before, ever. It doesn't even exist, trust me, I googled it. So yeah, I guess grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's get started. Also, don't forget, if you love this video, to give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, wherever. And yes, I can't wait. This is what you would need. First of all, bling. This is all the bling. I have more. I'm just showing you this as an example. So you would need, I have 6 of these for my box. So 6 of these for the size of my box. But, and can you see how bling it is? But of course, and it comes in this film. I'm going to put a link down below of where I got mine from. But it's the size of A4 paper. And maybe I should get a paper to show you a size example. To give you an example of, and I think this is about an A4, American size A4 or A3, I'm not sure, just a regular size printing paper. And you can see how much space you have left to mess around with. You have all this extra, this is the extra space I cut out because I've already done like half of the box or table to show you. So look, can you see how much space you have? So you can mess around with that, make jewellery pieces out of that after. So that's an example. For the top of the box, I'm going to use these. I'm not sure yet. I may use them, but you will see at the end of the video if I used it. And I got a whole roll of these for $3 online. So these are like crystal trims, as you can see. And E6000 glue as well. This is like handy. You need this for everything. And of course, the mirror for the top of the box and also the box itself, which are not in this clip right here, but you're going to see it in the video. So yeah, that's what you would need. Oh, and of course, scissors. Mistake with my glass. Like, here's my box and I made a mistake. Like, it's way too big. So I'm at Lowe's, which is right here at the glass cutting station where they cut glass, plastic and glass cutting. So they're going to cut my mirror. So, and this is where I got it done. So I made a mistake and hopefully they can fix it. So before we start the DIY, I have to fix this one little part. You see where I made the line? That's where it should be cut to. So hopefully they can do that and we can get this removed and start the DIY. It cut down, the mirror cut down, so I'm going to start the project right now. I forgot there's other things that you would need. I forgot to add. The sun is so nice, by the way. I forgot to add, and it's actually a glue called Gork and a Gork gun. I think that's what it is. So I'm about to get it out and start the DIY project. So I just want to update you because that Gork, you're going to need it to put down the glue for the mirror, for the mirror to sit on top of the cardboard box. So yeah, yeah, I guess let's get started. Sorry, this video is like all over the place. It's because I had to cut down. The guy who cut it made a mistake on measurements, so I had to go back and get corrected and cut it down as you just saw. And I'm getting back now, and I'm gonna try and get this vlog up today. So yeah, let's do this. At my house, so once again, and if it sounds like a rainforest, it literally is a rainforest outside my house. So once again, you would need the E6000 glue, some trim. This is not necessary if you don't want to do this style that I'm doing. You would need all of your, this is just cut away from this. You would need your crystal sheets, rhinestone sheets, whatever you want to call it, rhinestone sheets, and you would need your Gork, and this is it here. This is by Loctite, that's what they call it, and it's 530 Pro Line. mirror marble granite, and it's for this kind of heavy duty stuff. You can also use your cork gun, which is optional. You don't have to use this, but in my next DIY on Thursday you will need it, so stay tuned for that DIY project. So yeah, and then here's your mirror, and then right in the corner is my box over there. So I've already done one side of it and we're about to get started, so yeah, let's get started. So I have and excuse the rainforest sound, so I basically spray painted the whole box. I have this side that I've already done, like, and put like the crystals on it, and I'm basically going to show you how to do all the other sides, so stay tuned and just watch how I do it. So I don't know if you noticed I used the Gork glue around, like I use this glue instead, and I find it that it holds really quicker because you want it to be quick so you can be able to cut the edges. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to go over it. No one sees this, so don't worry. I find that the E6000 glue is not adhering as quick as I want it to because this part here is very sticky as well. So it's like two things that have the same thing, like they're both working against themselves. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I feel like using a glue that is not as sticky as E6000, and there you go. It's just like sticking on really good, the Gork glue. It's like more tougher. And then you want to get like where you have to have this here, you want to get these as close as possible to each other, and I'm going to fix that at the end, so don't worry about that. So you're going to continue this all around the box. I'm going to do, see, I'm going to like fix this piece right here because I use E6000 glue, and I find this Gork glue is just so much more, it does its job, like it's really tough glue. So I'm gonna just use it along the edges and bend it when you get around the corners. So I'm just gonna do that on the other side on camera, but I'm not gonna say anything, I'm just gonna do it so you can see what I'm doing. So go away, go away. So I'm gonna put the mirror down. I've got all the glue. Here is the mirror, and I'm just gonna place it. This is the fun part. Right center, bang, and then just let it sit. Oh, I got a bit of the blue piece. There we go. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh, you see that? See? Oh, go, 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 go. Okay. So there we go. And then just let it press it in so it can just like really get stuck in there. And I'm gonna put it on the edges. Wait, let me put this away. On the edges of this. Oh, I'm gonna have to move the camera back so you can see it. Oops. Okay. Is that better? Okay. So excuse me, I'm outside the house and there's like so many like annoying kids walking around. that just choose to be extremely loud. Anyway, so I'm gonna just put the trim where I want it. Gorgeous. And look at the top of it. Oh my god. So I think this is definitely my favorite. I have to find a glue that's really tough that can like have this fixed, but other than that I'm obsessed. And this is my new coffee table. It's so pretty. It's so girly. Oh my god. Just beautiful. Like every girl needs one of these in her life, right? So pretty. So comment below, do you love this more or do you like the other one? Let me know in the comment section below, but this has to be my favorite, no doubt. Oh, so girly. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, love it. Let me know in the comment section, dolls. Can't even stop looking at it. So pretty. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. So pretty and elegant. Just can't stop looking at it. Oh my god. Goals. Home goals. So pretty. Like this definitely beats the other one by far. I absolutely love it. Every single inch of it. It definitely beats the other one. This is like magical. I love it and I love it. So yeah, definitely try it. Let me know if you try this project. I love it. Obsessed. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you liked about this video and I'll see you dolls in the next one. Bye. Smooches.